If you're not tracking your team's work with a project management tool, your colleagues' productivity quickly becomes chaos. Individual progress without a big picture plan is a recipe for dropping the ball. So what does a perfectly optimized workflow look like? Hi, I'm Ryan. Today I'm going to walk through how to use a Kanban board to organize your project layout inside GQueues. If you want to streamline how your team moves tasks from start to finish, this setup provides the clarity you need to maximize efficiency. A traditional list view organized by sections or even due dates ensures your core deliverables are clearly recorded. It is a reliable way to maintain a clean ledger of your daily responsibilities and team assignments. But when a team project is underway, a list view of all the tasks and subtasks becomes cluttered. It isn't as effective for quickly understanding the status of project components, and this can hide bottlenecks. Moving from a simple list to a dedicated Kanban structure elevates your operational speed, allowing you to see the exact stage of every single project simultaneously. In case this framework is new to you, a Kanban board is simply a visual layout of columns arranged left to right. Each column represents a stage or status of your workflow. Tasks appear as cards inside the columns, and moving them between columns indicates their status. Since I make videos for GQueues, here's the board I use every day. This simple setup keeps our whole team knowing the status of all the videos at a glance. I know exactly what my whole pipeline looks like, where I'm headed, and where I'm behind. It gives us total visual clarity over our daily production. We set this up as a horizontal pipeline that matches our exact project steps. The layout is divided into 6 clear sections. Next up, script review, video production, video review, ready for thumbnail and YouTube admin, and finally, released. Your tasks move through these stages sequentially as they get closer to completion. The mechanics of using a board in GQueues are incredibly simple and tactile. As your work progresses, you just click a task card and drag it from left to right into its new column. This horizontal movement gives you instant clarity on your workflow without needing to scroll through long, confusing lists. To get the most out of your board, you can open up any card to keep your core information organized. Inside the Details panel, you can centralize your script notes, asset links, and priority tags. This keeps your main board completely clean and uncluttered while ensuring your details stay right where you need them. Now, you don't have to build a system like this from scratch. If you want to get started with a workflow that's right for you, there's a link in the description where you'll find some of our templates. Let's check them out. By jumping into the Kanban category in our template gallery, you can pick an expert framework like our content creation template and load it into your account with one click. Bringing a visual layout into your routine is one of the fastest ways to elevate your productivity and clear out the clutter. GQueues is the #1 project management tool for Google Workspace teams. And now you know how to use Kanban boards in GQueues. Check the link in the description for a free trial and be sure to subscribe for more productivity tips.